Hello everyone, I'm Miss Ha. Today I'm gonna to talk about the addition and subtraction of decimal. Alright, I will use one question to tell you how can we deal with the addition and subtraction of decimal question. For example, if I have the number which is 1.02 and then subtract 3.2 and then plus 9.08, then how can I deal with this type of question? So the number here, before you did the calculation, it is the same as before. If you see that is the number which is the second one is bigger than the first one, you have to change it to the addition first before you do the calculation. Don't forget that if you want to change the number and the operation before it, you have to keep it as groups. You have to change this number with the operation size before the number together, like 3.2, and then you have to change the 3.2 to the back and then make sure that you keep the minus with it. So after it changes, there's a 1.02 plus 9.08 and then minus 3.2. Alright, so the next step is I want to do the addition of decimal. So what I can do is I have to align the decimal point, so which is 1.02 and then plus 9.08. At that moment, I have to double check it. I have to ensure that the place values, they are the same. What does it mean? That is, the unit place is add with the unit place, the tenth place is add with the tenth place, the hundredth place is add with the hundredth place. So if I check this, oh, they are correct, and I can do my calculation right here. So there's a 2 plus 8, which is 10. And then 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1, 9 plus 1, which is 10. So make sure that you have to align the decimal point. So the decimal point here, I keep it back. The answer will become 10.10 and then minus 3.2. Alright, so there's not the answer part for this one, so it's no need for you to delete the useless 0, but if you want it, you also can do it. Alright, for this time I didn't do it and I keep on doing the second part, which is I need to minus, that is a 3.2. Make sure that you have to align the decimal point, and then I ensure that the place values here, they are the same. And I saw that there's a one empty space here, so I need to add back the 0. And I can perform the calculation as usual, which is 0 minus 0 is 0. And 1 come minus 2, so I have to borrow from the bigger place. The bigger place here is 0, so I need to borrow from the 10th place here. Alright, make sure that the above number is bigger than the below one, then you can do your calculation. The 11 minus 2 is 9, and then the decimal point, make sure that you keep it. 9 minus 3 is 6, so that the answer you get is 6.90. Finally, you see that some use the 0 because I need to do it as the final answer, so I have to delete the useless 0. So the final answer will become 6.9. That is how can we deal with the addition and subtraction of the decimal question. Alright, hope you know how can we deal with this kind of question. It is a little bit different between the addition and subtraction of decimals and the multiplication of decimal. Make sure that you know it. That's the end of this videos. Hope you understand and learn these skills. See you in the next video. Bye bye.